Okay, so sometimes the hinge gap can be large, say on a door that's got a sag on it and the top hinge. So this is to show you how to close that gap up, pulling the door panel across and solving a sagging panel issue. So pretty easy to do. What we're going to do is take the hinge off the door, of course, wrap it around to a point where both leaves are tight against like this. And there's two ways of doing this. You can use a channel lock, or you can use a hammer. I'll show you the channel lock here quickly. Take a rag or towel to go over it so it doesn't scratch the hinge, and adjust with the channel lock, and you can see now that angle is tighter, and when we close the hinge up, the gap is now smaller. And you can do that until pretty much there is no gap if need be. Got another hinge, same thing. We've got a fairly large gap on the hinge. We're going to take a wood block, flip the hinge around, take another block. This is where it gets a bit tricky. And you can see that in that situation, close the gap right up to nothing. And that's how you close the gap up on Hinge.